Hi, I'm Joey, and this is the Jimu Robot Tankbot kit from Ubtech Robotics. Jimu is a sophisticated robotic building block system that gives you the power to create and program your own robots. It's a fun and exciting way to engage in hands-on learning in STEM. The future of robotics is changing, and you're smarter for it. So, let's take a look. Open up this strong, reusable box to find everything you need to get started. Inside, you'll find an attached, easy-to-follow quick start guide, a box of character parts, 6 robotic servo motors, a box of fasteners and an infrared sensor, connectors, a charging adapter, and a main control box. Start by scanning the QR code or search Jimu in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store to download the free Jimu app to your smartphone or tablet. Inside the app, click on the Model button and find the Tankbot character you are going to build. The app will give you a 3D 360-degree view of step-by-step instructions on how to build your Tankbot. The brains behind Jimu's movements is the main control box, which is connected to the robotic servo motors. These servo motors act as joints and will power Jimu's ability to move. Make sure to pay attention to their numbered ID and connect to the Jimu in the right place as you build your Tankbot. Select the red Bluetooth icon to the left of your model to begin pairing your smart device to your robot. Then select the Jimu button that appears. A connection diagram will confirm all has been done correctly, and you're ready. Once your Jimu's charged up and you're connected, now the fun begins. First, it's best to see what Jimu can do by clicking on actions within the character page. Pick from any of these to see what your Jimu character is capable of. Any of these pre-downloaded functions are a great way to familiarize yourself with your Jimu Tankbot and all 6 of his servos. You can add these actions to a controller within the character page, so you can control your Jimu quickly and in real time, as well as drive your Tankbot. To create a new action, click the plus button and enter the Create Action page. Here you can control each individual servo in accordance to their ID number through the app, or record the motion by clicking record and moving your Jimu into the position you wish the action to perform, and repeating this step until you have a series of movements. Save this action and add it to your controller or series of actions. What sets Jimu apart from other robotic products is the ability to breathe life into your character through code. Through a series of actions within the app using Blockly programming language. It's simple. To use Blockly coding, pick blocks of action and direction and drag and arrange them into a series you want your Jimu to perform. You can pick from moves, if-then controls, event changes, sound effects, infrared sensor commands, and set mathematical variables for your Jimu. You can set code to control your Jimu by tilting your tablet or to have it react when it's near different variables. Swift programming language will write itself in accordance to the sequence you arrange. Join the Jimu community and share photos and video of either your Jimu actions, dances, or personal creations. See what the rest of the Jimu masters have created themselves. Jimu is an exciting way to develop creativity in building, programming, and engineering. It's a place of limitless possibility, infinite transformations, where smarter blocks make smarter robots, make smarter kids. Where is this place? Open a Jimu box and find out. Jimu, smart robots, smarter kids. From Ubtech Robotics. Dream with robots.